Hey guys, it's Brendo ST here with my cousin Derek on his new car. Finally got rid of that Malibu. Picked up this, was a 16? 15? 16?
15.
15 Charger. It's all-wheel drive, the V6, which, yeah, it's not a V8, but still got some pretty good pep to it. It's fully loaded except the sunroof. Right now we're painting the calipers red because he wanted red calipers, and we're also going to be doing the wheels Plasti-Dip black just till he gets a nice set of wheels on the thing. But we're using this stuff. It just started raining, so we're taking a little break. But this Duplicolor caliper paint, which I actually used on the Focus, which is on the other side of there. I used that on the Focus, and it came out really well. Found this again, and I'm like, yeah, let's do this. If you want it red, we'll do it red. It comes with a little can of brake clean and the paint, which is a paint on with a paintbrush. Works really well. Looks like the rain is subsiding, so I'll show you what we got so far. That's after 2 coats. I'll let it dry and see what it looks like in the end and see if I need to put any more. I know I got paint on the hardware there and everything. I really don't care. It's looks fine. There's gonna be a wheel covering it anyway. These we haven't gotten to the point of painting yet because that sucks. We just dried these and cleaned them and everything, and now it just rained on them. But this is the car. He's extremely happy with it. It's basically his dream car. He's been trying to get one of these for a while. I finally got rid of that crappy Malibu that's been sitting in the garage here. Yeah, see, he's happy. This is 1 coat on this side. As you can see, it's a little meh, but we'll put a 2nd coat on there and get it. Still got to do the back wheels, and yeah, it's a little dirty, but I think it came with like 38,000 miles on it. He loves it. He wants to do a black and white theme. Wants to get the hood wrapped. Little things like that. Get some window tints. Nice leather interior. Fully loaded. It's got heated and cooled seats. Like honestly, if I was truly thinking about getting another car, obviously not the V6 version because, you know, I like my power, but I wouldn't mind a Charger. I came from that Dart GT, so it was like a little mini Charger, but it didn't have the power. I love that car. I love the interior. I love the radio. Everything that was part of that car. I love that Dart. The Focus offered more power. So if it came to it, instead of a Mustang or Camaro, I know it's a heavy car, but if I could get the 392, I might look into doing that. So it looks like the rain has finally stopped. I'm gonna continue our work here, painting the other side, and yeah, having fun. Just showing you a little bit of my technique here without hitting my phone with caliper paint. That would fucking suck. But just getting the glob out. This is the 2nd coat, so I'm going really heavy on the 2nd coat. But getting the glob and just lightly going across. If it drips, it drips. It's dripping on cardboard anyway. But we're trying to get a thick coat on the 2nd coat. I'm not actually showing you. So I'm trying to watch where the paintbrush is going. Thick glob, caking on. The 1st coat was a little bit more, just to get it on all the surfaces. The 2nd coat's gonna be nice and thick. Ooh, I'm dripping. It's good, we're good. Everything's good. Yeah, getting ready. What? He's gonna help him move those into the garage because we're gonna paint them in the garage. So we're starting the wheels. I put 1 very light coat as your 1st coat. It's called tack coat.
Is it really the first thing anybody's going to hear?
Lollapalooza. Yeah. So the very 1st coat was very light. You could still see bare metal everywhere. It's called tack coat, just to get a layer on there. The 2nd coat I went a little heavier. This is the 2nd coat now. It's gonna use a 3rd, maybe a 4th coat.
Looks like crap.
Yeah. It's getting there. It's black.
Looking good.
compared to chrome. Ugh.
Good.
Nobody likes
Good.
chrome. So black will look better. Now, I know what you're all thinking. The mods we're doing right now are very racy, but
It's an American car.
it's an American car. Although you can race out a Cavalier pretty bad. But it's not a Cavalier, it's a Charger. Listen, those brakes are supposed to come red from the factory. I don't know why they didn't. So we're just helping the factory out. And the wheels, they sell black wheels for the car, so they're $2,000 options. So we're helping it out by putting our own black wheels on the car.
$40 or $2 grand.
Exactly, $40 or $2 grand. So, yeah, I'm gonna put another layer on this once this dries up a bit. We're gonna start the other wheel as well. Both calipers have 2 coats of the red paint on them. I think that should be enough. I might go back and touch up a couple places that might look a little light, but that's that.
Light.
So, we're gonna continue on here. Show you what this all looks like at the end. As you can see, it started raining again. We got 2 wheels done. Well, 1 officially done. I'd say it looks good.
Your device is disconnected.
Oh no, your voice is disconnected. I did the back lip in here just to get like that view done, just in case. It looks good. Spin the wheel. Yeah,
Your device is connected.
looks good. No spots in light that I can see that I missed. So that's good. Alright. This is what we got. Looks good. Not much of a process. Just finished the other wheel. We still gotta do the back side. I'm running out of time here. It's getting late, but calipers are done. So we're gonna do the other side and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Still videos to be on the ST whenever I get around to doing more stuff to it. So keep in, subscribe, like, whatever. And there's definitely will be stuff being done to that. And we'll also have videos of this now. He wants to do like an intake, exhaust, basic stuff. But there'll be videos on it of us installing it. So thanks for watching.